Alright, thanks for coming today, Joey. So first, for my behavioral economics midterm, I'd like you to write the last two digits of your student ID there. So I can see it's 45. So the 45 indicates a dollar amount for this thing. So 45 equates to $45 of purchasing power in this experiment. So there's 6 items I want you to indicate with a yes or no whether you would pay $45 for this item. So the first is a 32-ounce Gatorade water bottle. It's pretty fashionable. It's used by athletes everywhere. So now you indicate yes or no. Would you pay $45 for this?
Definitely not. Because I can't pay any less, right? It has to be.
Yeah, it has to be 40. Would you pay that amount? So next is an iPhone out-of-box case. It's a 2-layer case. It keeps an iPhone very safe. Would you pay $45 for an iPhone out-of-box case?
Yeah, okay. I would.
Next is a Timex watch. It is a leather strap and it's water resistant for 50 meters. So whenever you're going swimming, you're able to wear this. Would you pay? So now you indicate yes for that. Yes or no?
Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah.
Now a TI-84 Plus calculator.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely, yeah, because it's graphing ability and you're able to use it for all standardized tests. So
Right,
it's fairly useful. Next is the classic Ray-Ban Wayfarers. They're a great style and
Unisex.
they are unisex.
That's pretty classy.
Yeah, they are classy. So
Okay, sure.
And finally are the new Apple EarPods. They fit in your ear pretty well. They look pretty
No,
cool.
because I know they're $30. So,
Okay. So now I want you to ignore all of this.
okay.
Just these and that. So say you were in an auction now and you were bidding for each of these items. What would be the maximum you would bid for a Gatorade water bottle, an iPhone case, a watch, and all the other items? So if you were to bid, what would the maximum you would spend for each of these items? And you could just write each number down there.
Okay.
Be precise as possible.
And as precise as possible, because the more accurate you write, the more accurate my results will be the experiment.
Okay.
Alright, now that you've finished, I have one final question right here, yes or no. Do you think that writing this 2-digit number of your school ID had any effect at all on any of your bids? Do you think it influenced at all or played any part? So you can just circle yes if you think...
On my bids? Or
Yes, on the bids.
On the bids.
So do you think writing this down had any effect in these bids? So you can circle yes if you think it had an effect or no if you think it had no effect.
Candid.
It's a good question. I think it did.
Okay.
I think it did.
Well, Joy, I'd like to thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
And why don't you go have an Oreo? Thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you. I'd love an Oreo.
That's it.